Hello everyone, welcome today in the daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, September the 15th, 2021. We have here in this daily newspaper three regular Sudokus. The first Sudoku or puzzle is a binary. Then we have a medium Sudoku. And the third one, regular Sudoku, is a killer Sudoku, aka Sudoku mix. So this trio is made for you. Yes. By the way, in this newspaper there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 6 extra Sudokus, and 3 of them I will solve for you. But first, we will solve this baby number 3395. All right. And what kind of binary is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It's a 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means that in a row or in a column, there are always 5 O's and 5 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Now we have 5 O's, so the rest are ones. Alright, double one, here no, there no. 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 Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Then, let me see. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then. One, two, three, four. 4 missing. Sorry, 4 O's. So we need 1 O. If I place the 5th O here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules, so here can be no. This should be a 1. Then we have double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then. We have here, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's. If I place number 5 here, then we have 4 ones in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4. In this row, not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, then we have 4 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, the 5th one, the last one, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the 5th O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Okay, double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. This is number 5. Yes, the last one. Okay, double 1 here, no, there, no. Between two O's comes an 1, double 1 here, no, there, no. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is number 5, the 5th one. Then. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If I place number 5 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be a 1. This should be an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's, so the rest are 1s. Okay, double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Finished in 7 minutes. Wow. Yes, without any comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very, very soon. With the second puzzle, it will be a medium puzzle, medium Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.